And he's getting away on a revolutionary bicycle. The cyclist is Moulton, well-known designer of suspension units for cars. 5 years of development have produced the first bike with suspension. The first real change in cycle design since the penny farthing became outmoded. The bicycle is now in production and could well convince people tired of car-packed roads that this is the answer to their problem. Moulton, hungry for a bike that's not a bone rattler, invented the rubber-bonded sandwich. But the bike has many other advantages besides affording its rider a bump-free journey. A child of 11 will never outgrow it, and there's no crossbar to show its sex. The whole family can ride it without the slightest embarrassment. How's this for beating the traffic jams? It's the stowaway version. You drive until you can drive no more with that breakthrough bicycle in the back. But there are many variations of this Moulton dream bike. The racing model, for example. The small wheels make pedaling easier and give terrific acceleration. 50 miles an hour is the speed. If Mr. Moulton can double it, we'll have ton-up kids on pedal bikes.